Hello everyone, this is Ayantika, your legal faculty here at Clatworld. One most common question every CLAT aspirant asks is how many hours should I study for my CLAT preparation? And honestly, this question creates an unnecessary pressure because students keep comparing them with the toppers who claim to study 12 to 14 hours for CLAT. But the reality is, CLAT is not an exam where success depends on the number of hours you have spent sitting on your desk. It depends much more on consistency, reading habit, smart preparation, mock analysis, and long-term discipline. First thing you need to understand that ideal study time is different for different students. A student who is in class 11 and has 2 years for preparation does not need the same number of hours as of a 12th standard student or a student who has taken a drop year. So if you're currently in 11th standard and you approximately have 2 years for your CLAT preparation, then please understand that you are in a very strong position. You do not need to panic or burn yourself by studying 10 hours daily. In fact, some students who start aggressively in class 11 lose motivation just after a few months. Your goal should be consistency over intensity. Ideally, during class 11, around 2 to 3 focused hours daily for CLAT preparation is enough. On some days, it may be also 1.5 hours. On some days, it may even be 1.5 hours if your school workload is high, which is perfectly fine. But those 1.5 hours should be productive. You should focus mainly on building reading habits, vocabulary, current affairs knowledge, legal reasoning basics, and logical reasoning skills. This is the stage where you slowly build your foundation. Read newspapers daily, solve sectionals regularly, and most important, improve comprehension skill. Because CLAT exam today is passage based. Many class 11 students waste their time trying to solve or complete advanced materials too early instead of clearing their basics. Do not make that mistake. Now, if you are in class 12th and you have started your preparation, you need to be more serious because you have 7 to 8 months time in your hands. Now, once you enter class 12, your preparation should naturally become more serious because exam starts coming closer. At this stage, around 3 to 4 hours of preparation daily apart from school work should be enough. During weekends or holidays, you can slightly increase it. But again, quality matters more than sitting with books all day being distracted. Also remember that school marks still matter. Many CLAT aspirants ignore school completely, thinking only CLAT matters. But good class 12 marks can later help you in internship, placements, higher studies, and backup options. So maintain a balance. Do not destroy your health or social life in the name of preparation. Remember that CLAT is a marathon and not a sprint. Now let us talk about the droppers or the students who have 1 year in their hands for preparation. This category is different because now the pressure and the competition is much higher. If you are a dropper or starting serious preparation with only 1 year remaining, then yes, your preparation needs to be more structured and more intensive. Ideally, around 6 to 8 focused hours daily is a realistic target for most students. Some days may go beyond that near the exam. But again, consistency is more important than temporary motivation. Your preparation should revolve around 4 major things: current affairs, mock test, analysis, and reading comprehension. A huge mistake many drop-year and 1-year students make is that continuously reading theory without giving any mocks. Remember that CLAT is an aptitude-based exam. You improve by practicing under time pressure and analyzing your mistakes and improving upon them. Giving one mock every week initially and subsequently increasing the frequency is very important. Another thing droppers must understand that studying for long hours does not automatically mean effective preparation. Many students sit for 10 hours but spend most of their time rereading notes passively. Active preparation is what matters. Solve questions, analyze passages, revise current affairs repeatedly, and identify your weak areas. Your goal should be not how many hours did I study today, but what exactly did I improve today? One more important point is burnout. Many students start their preparation with extreme motivation and create impossible schedules like waking up at 4 a.m. in the morning and studying for 14 hours and also avoiding any breaks. This usually lasts few days, but real preparation is sustainable preparation. You need proper sleep, proper breaks, exercise, and a mental balance. An exhausted mind cannot perform well in exams like CLAT, where concentration and comprehension are everything. You must also understand that CLAT is not like traditional rote learning exam. Simply memorizing information will not guarantee success. Another genuine tip is stop comparing your study hours with others. Some students can study effectively for 5 hours, while others need 8 hours for the same output. Everyone has different concentration levels, school pressure, coaching schedules, and learning styles. Your goal should be steady improvement and not social media validation. There will be days where you feel confident and there will be days where you feel completely lost. This happens to every aspirant. What matters is whether you continue showing up daily. Thank you and see you in the next video.